Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Trello for game development. So let's get right into it. So, for example, if you want to make a board for game development, you can easily just create a new one, select a background, and then name it game dev or something like that. Then you're going to want to create a list, and you can make these lists whatever you want. They can be big chunks of software or big chunks of code. They can be certain functionalities, or they can even be levels. If you're a designer, if you're a coder, if you're a musician, if you're an artist, you can pretty much make these lists very big segments of work. For example, I'll pretend I'm a level designer, and I'll name this level 1, then level 2, level 3, and in level 1 I'll add enemy layouts, I'll add ambience to make the level look better, and I'll go into enemy layouts and make a deadline by going into dates, selecting a date, adding, I don't know, whatever date I want for the due date, setting a reminder, and then saving, and then that is pretty much it. And those are just some recommendations of how you can use this for game dev. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.